Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to download and install the Atscada platform, the latest version 5.0.0.2. First, we will access the website, atscada.com. On the toolbar, we will select the download section. On the menu, we will select item number 5, Full Atscada Download, Advanced Platform. We will see the link to download the Atscada platform version 5.0.0.2. We left-click to start the download. At this point, the browser will start downloading. After the download is complete, we will open the Windows Downloads folder. We will extract the zip file we just downloaded. After extracting successfully, we go to the folder we just extracted. We will see a file named Atscada solution file.exe. Now I will right-click and select Run as Administrator to start the installation. At this step, we click Install. We will wait for a while for the installation process to complete. After the installation process is complete, we click Finish. Next, the installation for the Resources Installation Manager package will appear. We continue to click Install to proceed with the installation. Finish. After completing the installation process, we will see the Resources Installation Manager interface, version 5.0.0.2. This is the overview interface of the installation package. After the installation is complete, now I will proceed to install the AT driver server. After I have successfully installed the AT driver server software, now I will open it. The AT driver server software will be displayed. We will search for it in the Windows search bar. After finding AT driver server, we will open it with admin rights. The first step. The software will require us to set up an IP. Since here I am only using a single static IP, I will select it. After the AT driver server interface appears, now I will create a demo project so that we can use the drivers available in AT driver server to read and write values to the devices below. I will click New and then add New Channel. I will name it First Demo. For the driver, I will select Modbus TCP, because I have prepared a hardware device, which is a sensor device that reads data and has high and low threshold settings. I will select the Modbus TCP driver. Click OK. Click OK again. The second step, we will select New Device. For the device name, I will set it as Sensor Temp. Temperature variable. For the device address, I will point it to the IP of the device I have configured. Here it has the IP 212. ID is 1. After completing, I click OK. Next, I will select New Tag. The first tag at the first register is the temperature value temp, with the register address 400001. After adding successfully, AT driver server has displayed the value. Read from the connection to the device below, and has read the value. For this temp tag, I will create additional tags, which is high temp, with memory address 400002. And one more tag called low temp with memory address 400003. After completing the reading of the values from the sensor, from the device below to AT driver server, I will save it. The second step, we will find the software named iTag Builder. Also search for it in the search bar. Run it with Run as admin rights. The purpose of the iTag Builder software is to register the tag files we created from AT driver server to serve the use of components in the Atscada platform. In the iTag Builder software, I will click New. Name it. For the driver, I will select AT driver client. Configuration. For the IP domain name, we can enter the IP of the server here. Since I am using it locally, I will set it as localhost, or we can use the IP that we set as the static IP of the machine. Click Connect. Next, we click Tools and then Import All. On the Import All interface, we will see the device as well as the channel that we created in AT driver server, along with the tags we created. We will click OK. After Import All is successful, in the iTag Builder software, we have also seen the tag values, as well as the tag files we have registered, created from AT driver server. Finally, we will click File and then Project Register. First, we must save this iTag Builder file. Then we click Register. After completing the registration of the tag file with iTag Builder, the second step, I will create a Windows Form app project. I will name it First Demo. For the framework, I will select .NET Framework 4.5. Here I will open the View toolbox. So that we can use the components of the Atscada platform. We will create a tab in the default toolbox of Visual Studio. Here I will name it Atscada iTool. Here I have already added the template. After we have added the tab, we will click Choose Items. We will select the C Drive folder, the Google Drive folder, AT Pro, Atscada, and we will select the first one, which is iDriver. and iTools. These are the two most important libraries of the Atscada platform. After selecting them, we wait for Visual Studio to load the two libraries. And we will click OK to proceed with adding them, just like I have done as a sample on the screen. After we have added the two libraries, iTools and iDriver. The first step for the demo. In this demo, I will first drag out an iDriver. Second, I want to drag out another iLabel from the iTools we just added. Add one more iLabel. Here I have 3 tags, so I will create 3 iLabels. And we will right-click on the iLabel component. Select Properties to edit. Edit Properties. We will pay attention to the Atscada Settings section. For the driver, we will select the iDriver is the one we dragged earlier. For the tag name, we will select the tag we want to display. For example, for Label 1, I will select High Temp. For Label 2, first I will also select iDriver. Here I will select the temp value. And similarly for iLabel 3. After completing the configuration of the tag name we need to display, now I will proceed to compile the project and run. Launch the project. After the project has been compiled successfully and initialized successfully, as you can see on the screen, with the 3 iLabels I dragged out, they have displayed the tag values corresponding to the values read from AT-Driver server. Now I will proceed to try writing values to the registers of the device below. For example, I want to change the high temp and low temp. I want to change the low temp to 15. I will right-click on the tag we need to write to. Select Write Tag Value and enter the value we want to write to the device below. After I write the value 15, the AT-Driver server has also updated the value. And at the same time, the Windows Form application that I created has also changed the low temp value to 15. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening.